It's the single most consumed food in the world. Across the globe, rice is eaten morning, noon, and night. At the heart of rice research is the International Rice Research Institute, or IRRI. IRRI is an international agricultural research and training organization with headquarters in Los Baños, Laguna in the Philippines and offices in 17 countries. The International Rice Gene Bank, maintained by IRRI, has the biggest collection of rice genetic diversity on the planet. It operates with very strict protocols and relies on consistent power.
In terms of what we do here at the Institute, it's manifestly dependent on continuity of power supply. We have a gene bank here. It's absolutely critical that we keep those in temperatures that are suitable for those rice so we can pull them out in the future and use those to develop future rice varieties.
Special storage vaults are kept at an optimal -20 degrees Celsius, required to keep rice seeds viable for decades.
We're also dependent on continuity of power supply for our analytical machinery. If we don't have that, it can cause problems in the integrity of our research.
With the threat of climate change and the challenges of global food security, IRRI continues to lead the way in contemporary rice research. With the privatization of Napacor, IRRI had a choice of energy partners.
First things first, we need a reliable supplier. At the same time, that will be cost-effective for our operations as well.
And so began a partnership between IRRI and Meralco.
Energy has always been one of our top spends, and going to solar is actually an opportunity for us to be able to save on power as well as improve our green credential in terms of our carbon footprint. Meralco actually provided a reliable solution for us.
With IRRI looking to reduce their carbon footprint, Meralco recommended Spectrum. Spectrum is a wholly owned Meralco subsidiary and one of the front runners in renewable energy. Engineers from IRRI and Spectrum worked out how to integrate the installation of several hundred solar panels within the existing structure. The result was to retrofit the solar panels in 5 low-rise buildings capable of carrying the additional weight, which were located in areas that got the most sunshine. To date, IRRI has reduced its carbon footprint.
It's very important for us as an institute to walk the walk, just not talk the talk. We aim to be green, and part of the way of doing that is to reduce our carbon footprint. So the less pressure we put on scarce natural resources within the Philippines, the better it is for everyone else. Meralco has been a long-term partner in supplying of power to the Institute. We've had good support from Meralco as a partner in this process, and the positive results that it has shown, both quantifiable and qualifiable, tangible and intangible, means that the proof of concept is now there. Because we operate in 17 countries globally, we have a physical presence in those 17 countries. We're also using this as a proof of concept to extrapolate the principles that have come out of our relationship with Meralco here to expand that globally as well.
The goal towards a sustainable campus continues with a solar-powered drone station. Drone technology allows for a faster, safer, and more precise way to apply liquid chemicals.
Solar is very good. That's why we're now into phase 2 of our partnership with Meralco. So we have a drone station now that is not grid-tied. We have storage as well. So Meralco is setting up a system wherein they install panels, inverters, as well as battery storage. So our drone station would actually operate 24 hours and not connected to our grid.
With the inauguration of IRRI's solar generating system and the activation of their solar-powered drone station, Meralco looks forward to a sustainable future as IRRI's end-to-end energy solutions provider. Power Ideas by Meralco. For end-to-end energy solutions, contact your Meralco corporate partner.